This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Jvc Android TV model and current Android TV version in settings so you know which update applies. Then connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Wired Ethernet is better for large downloads. Free at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of internal storage by removing unused apps and clearing cache. This prevents stalled installs. Once done, keep the remote powered and the TV plugged in. Make sure automatic sleep is off so the process won't interrupt. You next go to Settings About and choose System Update. This checks for the latest firmware. If an update appears, tap Download and monitor the progress bar. Do not power off the TV or unplug the network mid-download because corrupted files cause failures. After download completes, accept any terms and allow the TV to reboot. Installation can take 10-30 minutes depending on size. Make sure you let the device finish any post-install optimizations without interruption. So apps refinish by checking settings to confirm the new build number and then test streaming apps and HDMI inputs to ensure everything works. If the update fails, try restarting and repeating the update. If it still fails, use Jvc's USB manual update method, or only after backing up, perform a factory reset. If problems persist, note any error codes and contact Jvc support with model and logs. This helps them recommend the exact firmware or repair steps, so you don't repeat trial and error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.